Hey there. Today we're going to compare the process for creating a PDF from a URL between Nuance Pvt and Adobe Acrobat. Starting in Adobe Acrobat, we'll just go up to File, Create, and then Create PDF from webpage. Then we'll just copy and paste the URL and select how many levels down we want to drill. Then just click Create. And now we wait. Still waiting. Any minute now. And when it's finally done, take note of how the web page is rendered. Let's see the same process over in Pvt. We'll just go up to the top and click File, and then New, and from there we'll go down to From Web Page. Now all we need to do is copy and paste the URL. We can select a few options about how far down we want to drill for different levels of the website. I'll just get the first level here. And after just a moment, the PDF is generated. It's that simple.